Let's go check out the snowbanks. Here comes Lacey. She's gonna run me over. There she is. Oh, yeah, she got me. Okay, so you can see how high the snowbanks are. Well, I can't get through the woods that way, so I'm going to have to head back. Hello, it's a beautiful sunny day here. I've lost my dogs. Samson, Lacey, come. They will show up. I see them looking at me. They're not listening very well though, are they? Oh, here they come. Only called him once. His face is covered in snow. Oh, it's just beautiful out here today. The sun is out. All right, the tops of the trees are just coated in ice, and when the wind blows, they're knocking together and making a sound I've never heard before. Look at that. Isn't that something? The dogs came along here. They're more agile than I am. Oh, I gotta make it up that hill without falling in the snow. Oh. Okay. Yeah, listen to that. Huh. Yeah, hello. Hello, Samson. So pretty. Oh, listen to birds. Almost sounds like wind chimes. Oh, the geese are alive. I like that sound. Oh, Lacey. Now, what do you think she got into? Her snout is all gray. Lacey! Lacey, come! Come here! Lacey, sit! No, no, no. Sit! Sit! Oh, she just wiped it all over me. Stay! 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 What do you think is on her nose? I don't know. Ah, I'm gonna have to change my pants now. Go on, because she just wiped her nose all over my pants. Awesome dog that she is. Okay, the thing about walking through the woods like this, when the wind blows, the snow falls off the branches and goes down your neck. Yes. How's that? It's so pretty out here. All right, I'm going in. My fingers are freezing. Bye. Oh, I gotta look at you. Bye. We dropped Jack off at an all-nighter, and now we're at the grocery store. Erica just told me to close my eyes in the store. I just started recording. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes.
Give me your hand.
What is that? Oh, that felt really. It felt like you were dropping dog food into my hands. Look at this. What she. Yeah, that's what it felt like. Okay, so we're just walking through the store. Whoa.
Even a bird toy.
Ooh, a bird toy for Tina.
This is what you get when you have a parrot, not a small bird. The dog toy. Because parrot toys will be chewed up at the end of the day. Yeah. And they cost like $20.
Yeah.
This is $5.
I lost Erica in touch for a minute. just saw Erica's pretty face and she was waving at me from across the store. Now I have to go catch up to them. I was playing Dutch for this one. I bought this quilt at a thrift store a couple days ago. It was brand new, had never been washed. So I brought it home and I washed it up. Look at this. Somebody hand stitched all of these snowflakes, stars onto this. I couldn't pass it up. Could not pass this up. You'll never guess how much I paid for it. Well, since I put it that way, you might guess. It's a big one too. It's laying across my king-size bed right now. What do you think? It's a beautiful quilt, isn't it? I love it. But, you know, you bring home a blanket from the thrift store and you gotta wash it. And that's why it's a little wrinkled. Because I threw it in the wash and washed it gently on the gentle cycle.